Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. JB Plus, is it worth it or it's not? So if you don't know, it should be looking something like this. Literally just a box that plugs into your math sensor, I assume. Yeah, the installation is super easy. You pretty much unclip it and it's like a little bridge. Plug it on both ends and you're ready to go. So JB Plus is claiming that you're gonna gain 25 horsepower on N20 engines, which is my engine, and 35 wheel horsepower on N55s. The reason why I went for a piggyback tune instead of actual BMW flash tune or MHD is mainly because I do have a 5-year warranty, and usually I feel like dealers will be able to track whether I did have a flash tune or not, and I'm just trying to see because it's a very noticeable gain, to be honest. Mainly I'd say on the top end as well. Kind of gives you a bit more pull, it's a bit more lenient and consistent. Just to put it into perspective, I have been racing a couple of cars, like a BMW 650i. We got a little jump, but obviously the top end is lacking From factory, they advertise the cars at 245 horsepower. Obviously BMWs underestimate the numbers. I'd say, from what I've seen, people dyno 328i's, which are slightly heavier, and they'd be pushing 268 to 272 to the crank. I'd say if my car literally has exactly the same engine, same gearbox, and is slightly lighter, we should be pushing about the same to the crank. Plus, the JB Plus adds 225 to the wheels. 25 to the wheels is approximately, what, under 40 to the crank. So yeah, like somewhere about there. I'm not sure personally. I feel like there's no point of me actually going to a dyno. But check this out. Windows down, foot on the brake. Sport Plus. Actually, why am I even putting foot on the brake, man? Alright guys, just a little hint. If you want to hear the pops and bangs on, you know, like if you don't have a tune for pops and bangs, you're literally just running an exhaust, the sweet spot is 4K. So you see that? Anything over doesn't really like it. 4,000 is the sweet spot, especially second gear pops going downhill around 3.5 to 4. Overall guys, personally I would recommend getting it, especially for the money. The power gain is noticeable, obviously you get used to it, so it's more of a temporal shit. But anyways, the car makes power, it's noticeable, it's not a placebo effect. If I had to rate it out of 10, I'd give it a 7. Kind of wish it was a bit, nah man, honestly for 250 bucks, it's not bad at all. Totally recommend it. Hasn't caused any issues, no check engine lights. Mechanically the car's a-okay. Obviously the car's like what, 7 years old, it's a 2016. I'm pretty sure at some point I'll have to change my timing belt, and look, hopefully, I hope there's not going to be any major oil leaks, because you know BMWs intend to do that. But yeah, totally would recommend it. Personally, I am going to unplug it soon and go for BM3 stage 1. And I'm kind of thinking maybe later on I should go stage 2. Mainly I want to upgrade the intercooler, because intercooler, even on stock tune, is very beneficial for the car long term. The stock intercooler intends to be on quite a bit on the smaller side. I know the VRSF can be a bit of an overkill by its size, but you never know, man. Extra precautions, since it's being a BMW, you kind of want to maintain it. And you don't cheap out, man. Don't cheap out. Those cars deserve love. But peace out.